Maine state-to-state moving companies. Going through a move can be a tough thing. Something always seems to get lost or broken. You end up damaging walls or door jambs trying to get bulky furniture through them. There is usually at least a minor injury. It is just plain stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you are moving across town or across the country, you can alleviate a lot of stress by hiring a moving company out of Maine to help with the entire moving process. These innovative moving solutions provider can do all the hard work and heavy lifting for you. Some Maine moving companies will even pack up your things and unpack them at your new home for an extra fee. All you will have to do is show up at your new house and meet your belongings that are already there waiting for you. It is important to make sure the Maine moving company you are hiring to move you is trustworthy and reliable. You don't want to hire some fly-by-night company and have them disappear with everything you own. Look at the company's reputation, experience, insurance coverage, Department of Transportation, additional services and fees. Our moving services, full service packing and unpacking, including packing materials, door-to-door moving, commercial and office relocations, residential apartment and house moving, military relocations. Offer customizable moving packages. State to state, coast to coast, local and long distance moving. Heavy and specialized furniture moving, piano moving, pool table moving, etc. Cheap Maine moving prices. Auto transport services. One Auto Transport is one of a kind and no stranger to the moving industry. We have been a trusted moving company in the area for many years. Call us at 1-888-230-9116.